Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about the step-by-step plan to making money online. Now on my screen right here is a 7-day video series that was just released a couple of weeks ago, and it offers you the exact step-by-step training on how to set up your own money-making business from home. And this training platform is only $7 one-time payment. That's it. Okay, so let me show you exactly what you're going to get with this 7-day video series. All right, it's called 7 Ways to Win. All right, that's the name of it. Okay, and what they're talking about is that it helps you to create a business, a real business that's reliable and remote, where you can work on your business from anywhere in the world. And they give you the exact steps for it. And there are 7 steps that you need to follow. Okay, so you watch one video per day for 7 days. All right, so day 1 is all about inspiration. Day 2 is about mindset. Day 3 is about motivation. Day 4 is mastery. Day 5 is content. Day 6 is community. And day 7 is commerce. Now, what I like about this video series, and I've gone through this series myself about a week ago, the first 3 videos focus on your inner self, because if your mindset isn't right, you're not going to be successful in your own online business. So you got to get your mindset right. You might still have an employee mindset. You might have like a poverty mindset. You have to change your mindset into more of a business mindset and a success mindset if you want to be successful in your own business. So that's why I like that it starts off with getting the inner self straighten out first, your mindset straighten out first, before moving into the details of how to set up your business. So that's what I like about having inspiration, mindset, and motivation first, then going into the different elements of setting up your online business. Now you may be wondering, are these 7 steps beneficial for you? And I would say yes. I mean, if you need like a foolproof, clear, concise success plan, then this video series is for you. If you've been let down or ripped off by a guru or a business opportunity in the past, and there are business opportunities popping up left and right like every few weeks on the internet, and the majority of them don't last very long. You're lucky if they last like 6 months, okay? But if you've been ripped off by those business opportunities, let down by all the snake oil and empty promises that you were given in other business opportunities, then this video series is for you. Okay? And again, you may ask yourself, will I learn how to make money online with these 7 steps? And the short answer is yes. This gives you a proven path to building your online business where you can make an extra $100 a day, $1,000 a week, or even $10,000 per month. Okay, now let's go a little deeper into what you're going to get with each day. With the inspiration video, it'll teach you how to turn on your inner fire that ignites success in your life. The mindset video helps you to rewire your mind to align with abundance, happiness, and greatness. The motivation video helps you to discover the power within to be laser focused and hit your goals. The mastery video helps you to immerse yourself in expertise to hone and master your skills. The content video helps you to create compelling content to match your evolving personal brand. Branding yourself online is very important when you're starting an online business. Community. With the community video, this will help you to leverage the power of a community to lift you toward your goals. And the commerce video gives you helps you to step into a done for you monetization system and start earning now. Okay, and you also get PDF files that go with each day of the video series, and in these PDF files it'll give you some additional action steps that you need to take, some things to fill out to help envision what kind of online business you want, what kind of goals are you striving for, helps you to set those goals, and other things that are important. All 7 of these videos is in those PDF files, okay? Now, this is over a $2,476 value, but you're going to get it all for just $7 one-time cost, okay? So, I mean, most people spend more than $7 on lunch at work than they would purchasing this course, okay? So $7 is not a lot of money. If you can't afford $7 to change your life, to change your financial situation, then this probably is not for you. Just stick to a job and save your money or something. But if you can afford $7, that'll get you to down the path to starting your own online business and breaking free from a job, having more time to spend with your family and friends, going on vacations you've always wanted to go on, saving for retirement, having some extra money coming in each month in addition to your job, maybe. Developing financial freedom for yourself. If that's what you want, then don't let $7 stand in your way of that, okay? So $7 one-time payment, and there is a 100% money-back guarantee. You can try out the whole 7-day video series for 7 days, okay? After those 7 days, if you're not happy with it, then you can just email the company, and they will refund your money, no questions asked, okay? Again, you've got 7 days to watch these videos, take action on what you've learned, and if you're not happy with it, you can get a refund, no questions asked. So if you're ready to get started with this 7 ways to win, a step-by-step plan to making money online, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area and just put in your email address. It'll take you to this page right here. Just go ahead and order it. $7 one-time payment, okay? If you have any questions for me, I'll also have my messenger link, my Facebook messenger link, so you could just message me on Facebook and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.